AI has democratized niche discovery, giving entrepreneurs access to data once exclusive to large corporations. Traditional methods like manual keyword analysis lead to oversaturated markets where success is nearly impossible. AI powered discovery lets you spot trends 6 to 12 months early, providing massive first mover advantage. This presentation teaches a proven four-step framework using tools like Exploding Topics and ChatGPT. You'll find your first profitable niche within 7 days. Traditional niche research involves hours of manual work that leads to oversaturated markets. AI revolutionizes this with real-time trend data and predictive analytics that identify opportunities months early. The key advantage is speed and accuracy. Weeks of research now takes hours with better results. Modern AI analyzes billions of data points to surface emerging trends humans would never find. This removes guesswork and replaces it with data-driven decisions that dramatically increase success rates. Most entrepreneurs fail because they rely on brainstorming, personal interests, or copying others. Manual keyword research leads to niches that are too competitive or lag demand. By the time people discover hot niches through conventional methods, they're already oversaturated. Traditional research is reactive rather than predictive, always chasing trends instead of leading them. Without AI insights, entrepreneurs make critical decisions based on incomplete information and gut feelings. AI market research tools identify profitable niches in minutes rather than hours. Exploding Topics uses sophisticated algorithms to surface emerging trends before mainstream awareness. Niches focuses on ideation and content generation, providing marketing materials and audience personas for quick launches. Trendly specializes in long keywords representing quiet demand, consistent volume without overwhelming competition. Successful researchers combine multiple tools for comprehensive market validation rather than relying on single sources. This framework has been tested through dozens of successful niche launches, consistently helping entrepreneurs find opportunities quickly. The fundamental approach removes guesswork and emotional decisions that cause most failures. The four steps work synergistically. Each builds upon the previous one for comprehensive market opportunity analysis. What makes it possible is the data driven process that goes beyond multiple metrics. Following this exact process lets you identify and validate profitable niches with proven systematic methods. Trend analysis gives you the ability to spot opportunities 6 to 12 months before competitors know they exist. Exploding Topics analyzes billions of search queries to identify rapid growth keywords before mainstream awareness. Google Trends becomes exponentially more powerful when used strategically for seasonal patterns and geographic analysis. Combining these with ChatGPT identifies patterns humans miss, revealing why trends are happening and where they're going. Focus on Trends shows consistent 3-month growth with low competition for optimal market entry timing. AI keyword research analyzes search intent, user behavior, and semantic relationships beyond basic volume metrics. You're identifying keyword clusters representing genuine buying intent rather than just high volume terms. Tools like Ahrefs become more powerful when combined with AI analysis for long tail opportunities competitors haven't discovered yet. ChatGPT excels at keyword expanding lists with semantically related terms representing real user needs. The sweet spot is 1,000 to 10,000 monthly searches with low to medium competition for established demand without overwhelming competition. AI-powered competitive intelligence analyzes content gaps, underserved segments, and missed monetization strategies beyond basic metrics. The goal isn't avoiding all competition, but finding healthy demand where you can differentiate through better targeting. ChatGPT can analyze competitor websites and strategies to identify specific gaps for market positioning. The most profitable niches have 3 to 5 established competitors doing well, but not serving specific subsegments. This creates perfect opportunities for focused market entry with clear differentiation strategies. Validation prevents wasting months building something nobody wants to buy. AI demand analysis using ChatGPT identifies genuine buying intent versus casual interest through data synthesis. Market size calculation involves AI synthesizing multiple data sources for realistic addressable market estimates. Audience testing uses AI to generate targeted surveys and compelling landing page copy speaking to audience pain points. The 100 positive responses threshold validates viability. Without this level of interest, the niche isn't worth pursuing. Sarah followed our exact 4-step process and discovered AI powered meal planning for busy parents that changed her life. Week 1 identified 400% growth in AI meal planning with low competition in the busy parents segment. Week 2 uncovered 50 plus long tail keywords with 1,000 to 10,000 searches and minimal competition. Week 3 revealed a massive market gap. No one specifically targeted busy parents with AI powered personalization. Week 4's MVP launch generated $500 of revenue within days, proving the framework's effectiveness. Day 1 focuses on discovery, identifying 10 trending keywords in your interest areas using exploding topics. Day 2 narrows to your top 3 using Google Trends, looking for consistent growth rather than temporary spikes. Day 3 involves competition analysis using Ahrefs trials to research top results and identify gaps. Day 4 is validation through surveys in relevant communities to test actual buying intent. By day 7, you'll have one validated niche with clear competition understanding and monetization strategies. Use AI tools to spot opportunities 6 to 12 months before mainstream awareness hits. Focus on 20 to 50% consistent growth with low competition for optimal market positioning. Always validate demand before investing time using AI powered validation techniques. Embrace start small, test fast, scale what works because AI makes rapid prototyping and pivoting easy. The framework is proven, tools are accessible, and the only question is, what profitable niche will you discover first? Thanks so much for watching today's episode. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial. Give the video a like. It really helps more content creators discover this content. And share it with anyone who is ready to build smarter income streams with AI. If you want to go deeper, check out my book AI Side Hustles. It's packed with step-by-step strategies and real examples to help you launch your first AI-powered project. You'll find the link right below this video. Thanks again for being here. Let's keep building your future, one smart hustle at a time.